This video I'm going to share with you guys like how you can service your AC at your home without any technician support. You just need a blower. And the first steps is to dry the AC. So if your AC is running for a while, there is a moisture inside it, there is probably a water inside it. So before cleaning the AC, we need to dry it to remove those dirt. So I set the AC on fan mode and run it for near about 30-40 minutes. After 30 minutes later, I turn off the AC, switch it off and then remove the plug. Next we will open the front panel of the indoor unit. It's pretty simple, just remove those clips and it will open. After opening the front panel, you will see there is two air filters and those air filters are dirty. It's full of dust and you need to clean it using simple water. You see guys, my AC filter is full of dust and it also blocking the airflow. Pulling the air filter up will detach it from the AC. Remove the air filter. Few minutes later, dirty soap water is falling out from the AC drain. Turn the AC for a couple of minutes more to clean the fin, and after